In this video, you're going to learn how to become so focused that time flies. By the end, you'll know the exact techniques that create deep focus, where hours feel like minutes, and you get more done with less effort. First technique, create a single task environment. Before you start, remove every possible distraction. Put your phone in another room, close all tabs except one, and tell others you need uninterrupted time. A clean environment is the foundation of deep focus. Second technique, use the 90-minute focus cycle. Work with full intensity for 90 minutes, then take a 15 to 20-minute break. Your brain naturally works best in these ultradian rhythms. This cycle helps you enter flow state faster and makes time disappear. Third technique, set a clear, specific intention before every session. Don't just say, "I will work." Say exactly what you will finish, like, "I will write 800 words," or "I will complete chapter 3. A clear target directs your brain and increases focus dramatically.
Fourth technique, use the one thing rule. Ask yourself, what is the one most important task that will make everything else easier or unnecessary? Do only that task first. Single focus on your highest priority makes time fly. Fifth technique, eliminate multitasking completely. Multitasking destroys deep focus and makes time drag. Train yourself to do only one thing at a time. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the single task. Sixth technique, build a powerful pre-focus ritual. Create a short 2-minute routine that signals your brain it's time to focus. Light a candle, play the same music, or drink a glass of water. Repeat this ritual daily, and your brain will enter deep focus almost instantly. Seventh technique, track your deep work hours. Keep a simple notebook and mark every 90-minute focused session. Seeing your deep work hours increase creates motivation and helps you protect your focus time like it's sacred.
Eighth technique, embrace boredom during focus sessions. When your mind wants to check your phone or switch tasks, sit with the boredom instead of escaping. The ability to stay with discomfort is what separates average focus from God-level focus, where time truly flies. These were the 8 techniques to become so focused that time flies. Number 1, create a single task environment. Number 2, use the 90-minute focus cycle. Number 3, set a clear, specific intention. Number 4, follow the one thing rule. Number 5, eliminate multitasking completely. Number 6, build a pre-focus ritual. Number 7, track your deep work hours. Number 8, embrace boredom during focus sessions.
Remember, elite focus is not a talent. It is a skill built through deliberate practice and smart systems. Start using even 3 of these techniques tomorrow, and you will experience hours where time flies while you get incredible work done. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more focus and productivity tips. See you in the next video. Take care.